This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enter the recovery mode on your Motorola phone so you can factory reset or go to the settings on there. So with the phone turned on, go to the volume down button and the power button right here. Hold both these down. And it's going to take a screenshot, which is fine. So I'm just going to hold this down and it's going to force turn off the phone or restart it. Now when the phone turns off, press the volume down button and the power button. Just do it quick enough before the phone restarts here. So let's do it again because I was too slow. So I'm going to press the volume down and the power button. And then we could probably just let go for a brief second when the phone turns off. And then press those two buttons down again. And it'll launch into the recovery mode right here, or the bootloader. And then we can go on down to where it says recovery mode. Press the power button right here. And then it's going to restart into the recovery mode now. Now if it says no command or something like that, hold down the power button and tap the up button on the volume key, and then we can go through here and we go on over to like a factory reset, wipe data, and then we can reset that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.